Also guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to play something from Mario the Origami King. Now before we do, please like, subscribe and share for more content like this. And well, that's it. This is the second episode I've not said join the Discord server. I decided something to fit in that spot. It feels weird for me just to say that like, subscribe and share thing and just not say anything afterwards. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to have to go and do this then. If I stopped here, does that mean I've not beaten the boss yet? Okay, I've definitely done the boss. Past me made me confuse myself. Great. Did I give a voice for Olivia? I can't remember. I'm just going to use my normal voice. Bobby, you really did wait. You missed one heck of a show. The water elemental was so cool, and we even got a new power. Really? It was actually cool, like, really? As I missed an awesome water monster. That's fine. That's cool. Maybe I'll meet it some other time. Don't worry, you'll see its power in action soon enough. Let's head back to the lake and try the water elemental's ability. Come on. We've got to go somewhere. I don't want to fight this guy. I have never wanted to fight this guy. I've always wanted to purposely just avoid this guy. Same with this guy. He's always avoid. Let's go in here and then just find every hole. So I never get attacked by shy guys. And now we can use this guy. To where we transform into the water elemental, which I think should have been a fish, not a dragon. Because the one elemental which is wrong. Why did they make a dragon? It should have been a fish. And why those water fish were so beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful. And now look at it. It's not as good at all. Huh. How would you like that, Bobby? That's a lot of water, huh? Now we can hop on the boat and follow the streamer. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Sorry I dared you, man. I can't believe how many awesome new memories I'm getting today. Currently we can't do it because we need to get Monkey. A lot of canned tuna. Must be an entire year's worth. Okay, what was if I... What if I try and sneak? Ooh, what do I do? think I know what to do. I just need to figure out how to get up there. Alright, I didn't know why I did that. Alright, there's no how to try it. Well, he doesn't know how to perfectly get into the exact same spot. Good at it. Hey, can I try? I kind of feel bad for skipping shrines, so it made me feel up to. Oh wait, I can't get to paddle. Seriously, none of us can paddle a boat after we went to all that trouble in the lake. There has to be a way. Maybe we can find somebody who knows how to listen. Ah, there we go. Well, how about that happy monkey up there? That's monkey fault. Do you know when any always been little guy? Oh, hey! That is monkey for hello. What a tough language. Actually, he ran off. He didn't even answer my question. I don't know, maybe he was hurling that at what's his answer? Like, stop bugging me, Origami lady. Let me live my life, your monkey accent is terrible, you know? You get that? Canned tuna. I can throw him by a monkey, it's still sealed. Well, now I know exactly what to do. We're going back the exact same direction we went. We need to find this guy's friends. My amigos and I are fired up to have a canned food party here. We've got one guy bringing a can opener. Definitely can't get started without him. I'm afraid he might have gotten lost in the toll crash because of Albert. Oh, yeah, where's what? There's one. I fell asleep. I came here to party. Do you know where the party's at? Yep, just follow me. I'm here. I brought the goods. Oh yeah, welcome. Welcome to the canned food party, amigo. Been waiting for you to arrive. What's that, ravioli? Nice choice. This party is gonna be off the chain. Show you the reason why, okay, sorry, that's not why I'm stopping randomly. For some reason, I've just got this sound screen here and I cannot stop focusing on how annoying it is. So I just keep on focusing on that and then it's making me not read. Now we just need to find the guy with the can opener to get here. Then this party can make it's so, oh my god, that's annoying. It's been going on for quite a few videos now. No. Oh, great. Really great. Great. have no idea what we're doing at all. And to be honest, I couldn't care less. I really do not like battles like at all. Like, hate battles in any RPG. I like the exploration. What even is that there? I guess we got a toad. Finally, a rescuer. I was so lonely down here, all on my own. Here, let me think of this. Oh, you're perfect. I meant you that. I definitely didn't fall down there. Oh, that's something amazing. I don't think that's probably the best thing ever. You know what, I'm gonna figure out what the hell that is there. Great. I really shouldn't have. I think I know what I'm doing here. I know what I'm doing here. Time for the root of the elemental power of Earth. How does Olivia like read books tonight? She's like a wizard, but like she likes reading books, or she reads them. Okay. Wow. I have the correct idea. Me surrounded by weirdos, me supposed to be at party. You saved me, you helped me. Take to party. You should have said take me to party, it would have been a non-stop me thing. It would just be me. There we go. Be here, big thank to you, pal. Oh yeah, everyone's here at last. Time for the super duper canned food party to begin. Let's go. I'm not singing that because I can't sing. So if you want to sing it, just read this and sing it, do it. Can I open it? Alright, me forget something. Dude. Did you seriously forget the opener? This is where we had a sign-up sheet. How is there a canned food party now? We not need can opener. Watch me. Rah. Me it. Whoa, dude. You're out of control in like the best way possible. With jumpers like that, we can open any can. Let the canned food party commence. Shall I go online? Me no need no can. I was thinking in my head. Me no need no can opener. Me is can opener. Me love to open can with face. You have can? Need open? Tuna. No. I open can of tuna. An open can of tuna. Smells like tuna. We want more can. More. This guy's addicted to eating can. We can do this now, can't we? Found him. Should we give him something? Okay. Open can tuna. Well, that little guy sure loves his tuna. He's really going to town. Maybe he won't run away this time. Let's hit him with that horseman question. Now. The most funniest part of the game. Very funny. Oh my god, he looks like very funny. Yon. I need to give him this voice. Tuna always hits the spot. Oh Mario, thanks so much. I'm really sorry about all the monkey business. She said I'm no monkey. I just got folded up like one. On the single scholar thief, the autumn mountain down river tour. I was folded for way too long, went a bit bananas. What's fur? What's an oar? And what's that question? Scholar, single oar, you're a master oarsman? Oarsman, what the hell's that? That's exactly what we're going to ask about. Does that mean you can paddle that boat in the lake? Sure does. Did you guys need a word down the river? I'd be happy to paddle for your charge for you. I'll be waiting at the dock. Come see me when you're ready. We did it. Now we can finally ride the river boat. Not the river. We can ride the boat down the river. You should do the boat. And now it's time to go to the one place I don't think I've ever gone. Now it's time to go to the actual place. It's time to go down the very peaceful and calm Eddy River. Howdy folks, I'm all set ready for you for that tour down the river. Okay, hop aboard and then we'll head out. Yay, river tour! I'm so excited. I have no idea who's in that. It's Olivia, I'm thinking. Let's row to go. Let's make a wake. Let's skedaddle with that paddle. Beautiful. You get the second song of the game, which I'm not singing because I'm just not good at singing. Always 7-3. He's like, socials, bye. They want cans. Nice to unwind after a stressful day. You think you're going to be successful? I was a monkey. Saving because it's something bad. Eddy River. Is it just my imagination or am I speeding up? Yep, we are almost at the rapids. Your folks ready for what knuckle? Down Eddy River? Right knuckle? We thought this was going to be peaceful of it all. Oh, don't pretend you ain't excited. We can't turn back anyhow. Relax and enjoy the ride. The river was flowing a bit fast and then someone flooded the river to the brim, and they kept on flooding. What? Oh no, this is my fault. Yes, it is your fault. Sure. And now we're going down one of the most annoying parts of the game, but I really like the fact that it's like this. Right, I'm gonna need you to help me steer using L going up and down. It feels weird. Try to hit all the walls. Got an all the things. Got it. Oh, you would be able to open your menu for a stretch. Best to focus on the rubbish, you know. Okay, grab on something here on the river rapids. I like this chapter, very nice music. Okay, come on, let me try to focus on the rapids. Oops. I keep on forgetting how to steer. Okay, I really need to focus. No. I know it's like so easy, I'm just very bad. We've got logs now, oh great. I am very bad at this, aren't I? Oh great, I'm dying out. Ah, is that my fault? I would be dead. This is how annoying this is. Let's skip this part. Okay. Instead of doing that foolish thing, which was trying to actually make some progress by doing things, I'm actually just going to try and do the actual game properly. Great. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okie dokie, we're in the clear. How did you folks like the Edinburgh Rapids? Did you have fun? Now we breeze fast through that. My knuckles aren't white at all. Guessing you felt a little coin shy back there, eh? There's a cool prize if you never more right again. No. I don't know how river tours are supposed to feel, but this feels very nice. Yes, Bobby, feel the river tour. Feel it. It's nice to convenient. We'll just follow the blue stream all the way down the river. No distractions. Alright folks, our next stop. Welcome to Chevron Studios. It's a super popular location full of spectacular shows and amazing attractions. What time are you telling me this place is a theme park? That sounds like a place. That sounds like so much fun. Can I go, please? If you look ahead, you'll see Chevron Studios' famous castle. Look at the blue shimmer, it wraps all the way around it. Wow, gosh, imagine that. Of all the places it could have led us. What to do. Alright, looks like we have to check out Shogun Studios. It'll be irresponsible to not to. Shogun Studios is right. We're going to stop here, please. Yeah, right. I'm sure you'd stay totally on task there, no distraction, she says. We could continue the river tour if you'd like. Super Valley is just up ahead. What do we get off here? Alright, I knew you wouldn't need convincing, Mario. Okay then, you folks. I'll be waiting here when you're done. Yes? Oh, we're gonna have so much fun in Shogun Studio. Yeah, she's not even thinking about the stream anymore. Okay, we need to get... Now, how much money do I have? Oh, I can't. Okay, so I'm going to go and get some money. So I'm gonna go here, and you'll see me with 900 and basically 10,000 coins, because I don't like not being able to re-enter the place. So, hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share for content like this. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye. First of all, this guy. We meet at last. The fates have crossed our paths for a reason. I may not know I may not know your heart's desire, but I do know exactly where you can satisfy your desire for max of hearts. I shall await you into town by the Lustek Red Building. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.